every handset and tablet has an audio jack. What was once a simple 3.5mm plug is now more complex. Audio, microphone, and controls are all critical for an ultimate user experience. Designers face the challenge to accommodate many behind-the-scenes functions. When a headset is plugged into an audio jack, our switches detect the type of plug, whether it is a 3-pole or 4-pole plug, and reconfigures for CTIA and OMTP standards. Fairchild's audio jack solutions simplify communications between the headset and the baseband processor by utilizing I2C commands for functions like volume control, track skipping, and send end. Fairchild's audio jack solutions work with virtually every headset in the market, eliminating pop and click issues and seamlessly providing function control, allowing the end user to focus on what is most important.